Happy morning, all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, yesterday we have completed chapter number first from workbook. Today we are going to start second chapter from the workbook, work of the saints, where we are going to complete in workbook. Okay, so open your workbook, page number 11. You can see here workbooks page number 11. Okay, so see, first question, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. What is first question? Fill in the blanks by choosing correct option. Our first question is, Sant Namdev was a great devotee of dash dash. Sant Namdev was great devotee of dash dash. Who can tell me answer? Sant Namdev was great devotee of dash dash. Three options are given: Vitthal, Rama and Hanuman. Vitthal, Rama and Hanuman. So answer is Vitthal. First answer is Vitthal. Devotee of Vitthal. See, how to keep in mind one trick I am going to tell you. See, we have to do study, but trick wise we have to do study. Now what is given here? Sant Namdev, and he was great devotee of Vitthal. Do you know that song, Vitthal Namachi Shala Bharli? Have you listened that song? Vitthal Namachi Shala Bharli. Okay, so in that Vitthal Namachi, Nam means Namdev. Vitthal Namachi, Nam Namdev, Namachi Vitthal. Okay, from that Namachi, Namdev word we have to keep in mind, and whose school? Vitthal Namachi Shala Bharli. So Sant Namdev was great devotee of Vitthal. From that song we have to keep this answer in mind. Now next one, Sant Jnaneshwar took samadhi at a very early age in dash dash near Pune. Sant Jnaneshwar took samadhi at a very early age in dash dash near Pune. So what is the answer? See, three options are there: Dehu, Alandi, Chakan. Dehu, Alandi, Chakan. So what is the answer? Alandi. Very good. Very clever students are there. Very good. Second answer, Alandi. Alandi. Third answer. See, third question. Sant Tukaram drawn in the river dash dash all the records of loan papers he had. I repeat the question. Sant Tukaram drawn in the river dash dash all the records of loan papers he had. Which river was that? Options are given: Mula, Mutha, Indrayani. Mula, Mutha, Indrayani. So what is the answer? Indrayani. Very good. Our answer is Indrayani. Indrayani. Keep in mind, for filling the blanks we should give double underline. Okay, if in exam you have written answer like this Indrayani, but if you are not given any underline, not a single, then that question will get 0 marks. It will be given as a wrong. Okay, now fourth one, to popularize the worship of strength, Samartha Ramdas raised the temple of dash dash. Hanuman, Rama, Vitthal. Whose temple Samartha Ramdas established for the strength? Whose? Very good, Hanuman. Very clever students are there. Very good. 4 number, Hanuman. Hanuman. Fifth question. Sant dash dash exhorted the people to love all living beings, including the dumb animals. Sant Dadas exhorted the people to love all living beings, included the dumb animals. Answer is options are Eknath, Namdev, Tukaram. Eknath, Namdev, Tukaram. So what is the answer? Eknath. Sant Eknath exhorted the people to love all living beings, included the dumb animals. So right answer Eknath. Okay, so like this our first question is completed. What was the page number? 11. All have seen? Very good. So now open your next page, page number 12. Like this page you can see there. Page number 12. All have seen? Very good. See. Fill in the blanks. Again one more time here. What is given? Fill in the blanks. Let me write your option. Fill in the blanks. Now see, here everything is same, but options are not given. What is here? Options are not given. So on your own you have to write answers. Now there is no any choice. Directly answers we have to put there. Okay. So first question is, Dadash was a Muslim saint in Maharashtra. Dadash was a Muslim saint in Maharashtra. Who was? We have seen while teaching. I have told you many saints' name on the board. I have written. I have told you. So what was the name of Muslim saint in Maharashtra? Sheikh Muhammad. Sheikh Muhammad. Write proper spelling. Sheikh Muhammad. Sheikh Muhammad was a Muslim saint in Maharashtra. Next one is there. Sri Chakradhar Swami founded that sect. Which sect Sri Chakradhar Swami founded? Sri Chakradhar Swami belongs to Gujarat. Very good. And which sect he found? Mahanubhav sect. Very good. Mahanubhav sect. Mahanubhav sect. Then third question, Sant Namdev lived in the village where? Narsi. From Namdev, Narsi, both side yan is there. Sant Namdev lived in the village Narsi. Third one. Fourth one. The verses of Dadash are included in Guru Granth Sahib. The verses of Dadash are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev's verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. What is given here? Verses of Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev. Sant Jnaneshwar's family was from? Sant Jnaneshwar's family was from? I have shown you in the video also. His village, his hut. So where does Sant Jnaneshwar's family belongs? He belongs from Apegaon. Apegaon. Okay. Now, Like this, our second question is also completed. Now we are going to see question number third, match the pairs. See, group A is given श्री चक्रधर स्वामी, संत ज्ञानेश्वर, संत तुकाराम, समर्थ रामदास. In the middle, answers column is given. Answers column is given blank. There we have to write answers. Okay. Answers we have to write in full form. Now group B, दासबोध, तुकाराम गाथा, ज्ञानेश्वरी, लीला चरित्र, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब. Okay. So can you write this? Many times I have told you these things while teaching. It's very simple. Okay. See. Let me write question first. Match the pairs. Match the pairs. Directly I am going to write answers. Sri Chakradhar Swami, what he had written, दासबोध, तुकाराम गाथा, ज्ञानेश्वरी, लीला चरित्र, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब. What? लीला चरित्र. Sri Chakradhar Swami, लीला चरित्र. Right, first one. Write proper spelling. लीला चरित्र. लीला चरित्र. Second one is संत ज्ञानेश्वर. What संत ज्ञानेश्वर संत ज्ञानेश्वर has written, or what he wrote? ज्ञानेश्वरी. ज्ञानेश्वर, ज्ञानेश्वरी. 2 number ज्ञानेश्वरी. Write properly, don't make spelling mistakes. ज्ञानेश्वरी. Third one, संत तुकाराम. संत तुकाराम. तुकाराम गाथा. In his name only it is there. तुकाराम गाथा. तुकाराम गाथा. And now fourth one. Question is 1, answers are 2. Which are remain now? दासबोध and Guru Granth Sahib. So Samarth Ramdas. What Samarth Ramdas has written? Ramdas Dasbodh. From that Das we have to keep in mind Dasbodh. Ramdas Dasbodh. Dasbodh. Okay, like this. And what is remain now? Guru Granth Sahib. Who has written that Guru Granth Sahib? Sant Namdev. Actually, his verses are added in Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, he has not written it totally. His verses are added in Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, all have done this much. Very good. So I'll rub the board now. We are going to take question number 4 and 5. Name the person. Question number 4. Name the person. Sant, who was originally a prince from Gujarat. Sant, who was originally prince from Gujarat. Who was that sant? Just before 2-3 minutes I told you, Sant Sri Chakradhar Swami. Right. First answer. In the answer column you have to write answer. Sant Sri Chakradhar Swami Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sant who live in the village Narsi. Who used to live in Narsi village? I told you Yan. First letter. Narsi Namdev. Very good. Sant Namdev. Third one. Sister of Sant Jnaneshwar. What was the name of sister of Sant Jnaneshwar? Muktabai. Very good. Four number. Brother of Nivruttinath and Sopandev. Brother of Nivruttinath and Sopandev. Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Jnaneshwar. 5 number. Sant who live in Paithan. Who used to live in Paithan? Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath. Okay, like this. Write it like this. Now, question number 5. Find the odd man out. Find the odd man out. Find the odd man out. See, contemporaries of Shivaji Maharaj. Options are given. Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Tukaram, Sant Ramdas. So answer is Sri Chakradhar Swami. Two number. Sant who wrote Abhangas. Who wrote Abhangas? Sant Namdev. Third one. Sons whose names are proclaimed together. Sons whose names are proclaimed together. What we are saying, Gyanba, Tukaram. So Gyanba means Jnaneshwar and Sant Namdev and Samartha Ramdas. Sant Namdev. What mistake I did? Sant Namdev, Sant who wrote Abhangas, that completed. Sant whose names are proclaimed together. See, sons whose names are proclaimed together. Gyanba, Tukaram, that I have told you. Gyanba, Tukaram. Gyanba means Jnaneshwar and Tukaram means Sant Tukaram. Okay, these two people's names were taken. So which one is remain? Whose name was not taken? Samartha Ramdas. So this Samartha Ramdas is odd man out. Samartha Ramdas. Okay, do you understand? So like this, today we have completed 1 to question number 5. Okay. So all these question answers you are going to solve in your workbook. That page's photos you are going to send me on schools group as a homework. Okay, do you understand today's homework? Very good. See, most of the students are not sending homework. Try to send your homework. Okay, do regular homework. Then only you can score good marks and you can get many things. See, history is a subject like this. If this year nothing you will understand, if you are not understood anything from this standard 4th history, then in 5th standard also nothing you are going to understand, 6th also, 7th also, never you will understand anything. So this one is the starting of your EVS subject. Okay, EVS second. So from itself, today itself you have to do proper study of this. If you will not understand anything now and if you will not do study from now, then never you will understand EVS. Understood? And if you will do study, it will be the easier subject for you and interesting one for you. Okay? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.